All right, so today we're going to learn about the find function and how that helps us in Excel, right? So find function, basically what it does is it finds a substring in the main text string and gives us the position of this substring in this main text string. It doesn't really make sense so far, but let us come here to this example and see. So we have this sentence, time the run properly, right? Now, th, a small t, small h, happens to be the substring of this text string because th is part of the, which you see here. Similarly, m is also a substring, even if it is just one character, because m exists in the third position in this cell reference, right? TIM. So yeah, so m's position is number 3. So let's see how find function can help us determine the position and tell us what the position of a particular substring is. I'll say equals find, open tab, find the text. This is the text that is to be found. I'll say comma, within the text. Find it within this text. I'll say comma again. Start number would be 1. I'll say close brackets and enter. Right? It gives me 6 as the position. If you start counting each position, you'll see why th returned 6. All right. T, capital T, is position number 1. I is position number 2. M is 3. E is 4. The space in between is 5. And then finally, the small t is at the 6th position. So even if a substring is 5 characters long, in this case it is just 2 characters long, it's just th, it would still return the position of the first character in that substring. In this case, th is the substring and the first character is t, and t happens to be in the 6th position in this whole text. Now if I simply come here and do a double left click, all right, I got these answers. It says 3 for this. So basically we had to find m inside this text and return the position. Now m happens to be in the 3rd position, as we saw earlier, TIM, 1, 2, 3, 3rd position. Why does this return a value error, right? It returns a value error because find function is case sensitive. Even though this m and this m mean the same thing, but they are different because this is capitalized, whereas this is in smaller case, right? And that is why Excel could not find a match for this small m, because it does not exist in this text, and thus the value error. All right, let's see why E returned a position 4. Okay, TIME. So T is the first, I is the second character, M is the third character, and finally E is the fourth character, and that's why we have 4 here. Okay, let's see this find function in action. Okay, what if I tell you that from all these sentences, I want to return the house name, right? These are kids who are in school and they have been allocated different house names like we used to while in school. What we know is that all sentences follow a similar pattern. It says Ravi is from Ashoka house, Divya is from Pratap house, Hari is from Gandhi house, and so on, right? We can use the mid function and find function together to give us the house name. Let's see how. I'll say equals to mid, tab to open bracket, text would be this, and then comma, start number would be given to us by the find function. So let's say find text. All right. If you notice one thing, before every house name comes the word from. And to make it even more simpler, before every house name, there is a space, and even before the space, there is an M, right? And there is no M before that M. Right? The first M is part of from. So I'll just say find within double quotations, small m, close double quotations, comma, within the text, find it within this text, comma, start number, find it from the first position. I'll say close bracket. Now what we need to know here is that Excel will find the position of the small m and return it. But the name of the house begins 2 characters after the position of M, right? M is here. After that comes one space. And after that, the next character is where the name of the house starts from. So I'm going to say +2. So whatever position this M returns me, add 2 to that, right? And then I say comma, and it asks me for number of characters. Each house is of 6 characters, if you can notice. I'll just say return me 6 characters. I'll close bracket and enter. It's returned me Ashoka. I'll come here and double left click for it to auto populate, and it gives me the house name that each person belongs to. So this was find function and find function in action. Thank you.